What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. It is about 8:15 this morning and it is Sunday morning, and I've established myself somewhat of a routine on Sundays, and I thought, why not do a little Sunday reset vlog for you guys? So I do have a very early schedule during the week. I wake up between 6 and 6:20 in the morning to be able to do like a workout, do the treadmill for an hour. But on weekends I do enjoy sleeping in a little. It just makes me feel refreshed for the week. So this morning I did sleep in until 7, which is not that late, and then I woke up and instead of just like getting into my routine, I just came in the living room and sat down a little bit, was on my phone, on my laptop, and just enjoyed morning. But I am about to start getting ready to go to the gym now, since it is 8:20 now to be precise. I'm just waiting for my Apple Watch to charge because I do love tracking my workouts on my Apple Watch. So I'm just waiting for that to charge, and then I'm gonna head to the gym super early and get a workout in right away. So anyways, let's get this Sunday morning started. And I'm gonna get ready slowly but surely to head to the gym and then come back home and do my whole reset routine to prep for the week and make sure that we start off the week on the right foot. So let's get into this vlog. Okay, so this is my little workout outfit. I've got Lulu Align leggings and then this sports bra from Alo Yoga that I'm obsessed with. It's so cute, so flattering, and it's like, I don't know, I just really like it. It makes me feel good when I wear it. Also, my watch is not fully charged, but charged enough. I don't want to wait any longer before getting a workout in, because if I wait any longer, then I'm literally not going to do a workout. So I'm gonna head to the gym right now. I'm gonna fill up my water bottle, grab my stuff, head to the gym, go do a quick workout. My workouts are between 30 to 45 minutes, and then I come back home and I'll update you guys at that point. Okay, so I threw on this crew neck from Princess Polly to head out. It is cold outside, and then I stole Alex's AirPod Pro Max. I got them for him for Christmas, and I've been borrowing them ever since to do my workouts, because let me tell you, the workouts hit different with these on. You're just so in the zone when wearing them. I'm literally so jealous, and I want to get my own pair because these are amazing, and I really do want to stop like stealing his. I'd like to have my own pair to wear, but for now I'm just gonna keep stealing his until I get my own pair. Okay, I'm back from my workout. It is now 9:45, so it was a quick workout. I really am not the type of person to stay like hours and hours at the gym. I just feel like that's just way too long for me, so I do try to keep my workouts efficient but short, like on the shorter side, like 30 to 45 minutes. So done with the workout for the day. I'm gonna hit my 10,000 steps for sure. I do that every single day, and if I don't, like, I don't know, I'm disappointed in myself, but at the same time, like, it is what it is. But we're really gonna try to hit that 10K today. So now that I'm back home from my workout, I am gonna make myself a protein shake and then head right into the shower, do my skincare and all of that. I am gonna be filming a what I eat in a day today. That's gonna go up after this video, so if you're interested in seeing what I eat in a day, it'll be up in a few days. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, currently doing my skincare routine. So I always start off with the Tula Balancing Act Purifying and pH Balancing Toner Pads, these little things right here, and I already did that on my skin. Next, I'm going to use the Hydrating Serum with Hyaluronic Acid from CeraVe, and then I use the Pure Active Cream for Normal to Oily Skin right here by GM Color. I just put my CeraVe serum on. I also got myself a new sunscreen yesterday at Sephora. It's the sheer sunscreen by Supergoop, and I got the mini format to try it out and see if I like it or not. I've had the Unseen, I've had the Shine, I think one, the one that's like, it has a bit of tint in it, but it's kind of like glowy. I don't remember how it's called. So I thought I would try this one out and see how I like this one. Okay, let's try out this sunscreen. I did like test it on my fingers when I was at Sephora, and it felt pretty good, although I don't really like the feel of sunscreen at all, to be honest, but it's mandatory and necessary to put that on my face, and I have not been putting any on my face for the past few months. But I also don't go out because I work from home. Regardless, I really should be wearing sunscreen every single day just to like protect my skin, you know, like my windows are not UV protected. So, and then I finish off my face with the Laneige lip mask every single morning. So I've been using this deodorant right here by Native. It took me a while, like I feel like it took my body a while to get used to it, but my body has gotten used to it. It's really nice. There's no aluminum, no parabens in it. I think that's what it is. Yeah, no parabens. So that's really great, and it smells so good. It's coconut and vanilla scented, which smells so good. And then last but not least, although this is not part of my skincare, it's part of my hair care routine, I put some hair oil on my hair to keep it hydrated. During the winter, my hair gets so dry and it needs all the help it can get. Also, the Way hair mask does wonders for my hair. I do it once a week. My hair feels so soft after I've done it, and like for the next like week it feels super soft. So I would definitely recommend. And voila, all there's left to do is get dressed, but I'm gonna stay in my pajamas just a little bit longer while I make breakfast and all of that, and then I'll get dressed after I'm done making breakfast. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so I've started a load of laundry, and now I'm just sitting at my computer just doing a little bit of like work slash going through the footage that I have for today already, because I am filming 2 videos and I don't want to get confused with the footage that I have. So I'm putting it in iMovie right now so that it's ready to edit whenever I need to edit it, and I don't need to go through all of the footage that I have at that point. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It is about 12. I also want to figure out what kind of meals to meal prep this week, because that is a big thing that I do on Sundays, meal prep. So I need to figure out what I want to do for my lunches. Like dinners, it's not so bad. Like I don't really meal prep for dinners, but lunches I like to meal prep for, just so that they're, you know, ready and on the go. I don't need to like spend my entire 30-minute break doing my lunch. So that's what we're gonna be doing this afternoon. I just need to figure out what I want to do, and also probably gonna make some coffee. But if you want to see how I make my coffee, that'll be in my what I eat video, and then we'll just see, I guess. Okay, little update. I just spent like so much time folding all of our clothes. Let me know if any of you guys are like this as well, but like I don't like folding clothes. It will be in that clean basket for like days before I actually get to it, and I will go in the basket to pick out the clothes that I'm missing and just leave the basket there. I hate folding clothes, so this is like really a big accomplishment for me. Also, like we tidied up a lot yesterday, so there's a lot of things that I typically do on a Sunday that I don't have to do because we did them yesterday, and I'm so grateful that we did, because I'm actually more like on the relaxed side today, whereas if it was just another Sunday, I'd be like go go go, I need to get everything done. The sheets are clean, so I'm gonna make the bed. All done. There's nothing better than a clean bed to start off the week. Like that is just the best feeling ever. So I haven't updated you guys in quite a while. It's so weird to be filming 2 different videos, because I feel like I typically would have showed you guys what I ate throughout the day, and like I don't know, I would have put the 2 videos together, but I really wanted to do 2 separate videos. So yeah, haven't really talked to you guys this afternoon, but I had a pretty chill afternoon after I folded all the clothes. I made dinner and honestly just relaxed. That's such a huge thing from doing some of the cleaning yesterday. I got to actually like relax today, which is great.
You couldn't see everything and stay that I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me.